See, first and foremost, I would like to say that it was a heinous crime that was committed against humanity as such. Like we know by far and large that who was involved in terrorism anywhere, India especially, had no tolerance, zero tolerance towards terrorism. India is a peaceful country. We've always propagated peace. और जो narrative जो दुनिया में घूम रहा था, which was being hijacked right now by miscommunication and दूसरी media, so it was very good and it was more clear now to the world, and of course we would be the ambassadors to carry it forward to the world.
The presentation given by the Honorable Indian delegation was very concise and precise, and the message was very clear that the message of peace, that even if we have to go to war for peace, we will do it. I think the small, very exclusive gathering of the community was very exclusive in the sense that we had the opportunity to listen to them firsthand, hear the facts and the details, and clear a lot of doubts. So really it was wonderful to meet them, understand and realize how misinformation had been spread, but it's also very heartening to know how India handled the situation and how well we conducted ourselves in the theatre of war and in the international stage.